Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a mid-month reading for November. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies that we see for you starting 15th of this month till the end of this month. Now let's quickly dive in and see what we have in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords, and the High Priestess. Now with Ace of Cups, it means that you're looking for a new beginning which is based on emotions. You want emotions to play a very important role when you have this new beginning. The second card is Ace of Swords. It again shows you want a new beginning, but that new beginning will only happen when you have a very honest conversation about something that maybe you have not yet discussed with this other person. The third card that I see for you is the High Priestess, which is a major arcana. She's the keeper of the secrets. There could be something that you are hiding, something that you have not yet discussed with this other person. So it is time that you go ahead and talk about this, because the other person already has that inkling feeling that there is something that you are not telling them. Now with this, let's go ahead and deep dive and see why we have these cards for you. So the first card, which is Ace of Cups, we'll see why we have this card. So the first one is Ace of Pentacles and the Strength card. With Ace of Pentacles, it shows a new beginning and you want to have stability. That's what the Pentacles energy shows. So you want to start small and eventually build that relationship. With the second card, which is Strength card, it shows that a lot of strength, courage, bravery will be required to deal with this situation. The second card for you is Ace of Swords. So let's go ahead and take a clarifying card here. The first card is Knight of Swords and Page of Cups. With Knight of Swords, you want to rush in and talk about something that you have not discussed with this person. The second card is Page of Cups, which is kind of an immature energy, but with Cups, it means that you want to discuss something related to emotions about with this person. Now let's go ahead and see why we have this High Priestess. So the first card is the Three of Pentacles and the Four of Cups. Three of Pentacles shows third party energy. It could mean that in some cases that you may be dealing with two people and that's the secret that you have not told your person. The second card for you is Four of Cups. It means that you will be in state of mind where you will show that you are bored of this situation and you will not accept any cup of love if it is offered to you at this time. Now with this, let's go ahead and see what is the message that we have for you from the Moonology Oracle decks. So the message that I see here is believe in the impossible. It means that you need to believe that impossible things can come into reality. You just need to believe that things will happen, and only when you have trust and faith will these things happen. So just go ahead and be a little more patient with yourself and believe in this process and things would happen for you. Now that's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.